Namaste everyone, I am Bhavani Chetan from Sri Gurukul Group of Institutions, Tumakuru. We are having just one day to go. We have prepared for an entire year. Now dear students, you are having just one day for your final board examination. Okay, in my previous video, I discussed with you about the study tips. In my today's video, I'll going to discuss about many points. Number one, we will going to discuss about question paper analysis. Let me analyze the question paper first. So English question paper has been divided into two. Number one, literature. Number two, grammar. So you will be having 40 each. 40 plus 40, total you are having 80 marks question paper. So very firstly, you need to give importance to grammar. So very first main, you are having grammar. Second main is also grammar. But first main, you'll be having MCQ. Second main, you will be having vocabulary. I mean to say, you will be having 12 questions for 12 marks. First main, you will be having 4 grammar questions for 4 marks. Third main, you will be having error identification. Trust me, error identification will cover too many grammar concepts. So if you are very well prepared, then only it is possible for you to guess which is the word which has got error. And you will also get the clue there, and you have to identify the clue, and you have to write the proper word for it. And third main onwards, you will be having literature part, that is 2 marks question, 3 marks question, 4 marks question, extracts question, then profile writing, paragraph writing, picture description, story development, essay writing, comprehension passage. Okay, letter writing. Let me come to that matter. Letter writing is very, very important. That will be for 5 marks. So let me very quickly glance out how to get 5 out of 5 for letter. Very first step, as soon as you start to write the letter, put the margin. I mean to say, draw the box. And always remember, letter will start with your left hand side. You will start with your left hand side. So, left alignment, followed by from address, date, to address, salutation, subject, content. Content, I mean to say, body of the letter. That should be divided into 3 paragraphs. That is introduction, body of the letter, conclusion. And at last, that is enclosure. Then, thank you, yours faithfully, signature, by which you have written in the from address that has been given in the question paper. This is a very quick glance for 5 marks letter writing, followed by poem, which is very, very important. In your textbook for memorization, you are having 3 poems. But remember, please prepare all 3, but you can give 98% prominence to quality of mercy, because model paper, preparatory paper, they have asked only quality of mercy, but don't get chance prepare for all 3. But let us give more prominence to quality of mercy poem and the blind boy poem. Okay, so these are the things that you need to concentrate on. Then 4 marks question, please write in 3 paragraphs. Introduction, answer, conclusion should be there in 4 mark question. And remember, while reading textbook, you have underlined the keywords. No, you should use those keywords in your answer, so that you can score very good marks in 4 marks question. Then followed by essay writing, you will be having 3 topics, and any one you have to choose and write. So these are the question paper analysis. These are the points that you need to keep it in mind on the day of exam in the exam hall. We are having 20 lessons in our textbook, 8 prose, 8 poetry, and 4 supplementary reader. According to the model paper and preparatory paper sent from the board, these are the grammar content you need to focus. Based on the model paper and preparatory paper, these are the short-listed predicted questions you need to prepare for your examination. Formulator, most predicted to the exam. Both formal and informal has been given. At last, we have sent the PDF in the description box. You can download it. It consisted of the short keynotes of all the lessons and grammar worksheets, which plays a very important role. Please download those worksheets and start working. Previous year question paper has also been sent. Extract questions with answer has been sent, and letter writing format which you have to follow to score 5 on 5. And then very importantly, you are having just 2 days for preparation. Yes, you have to refer to the displayed timetable prepared for 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. Based on the sent timetable, if you prepare according to the timetable, you can score very good marks in English. Okay, we have analyzed the question paper, and we have also referred the predicted questions that has been displayed on the screen. And now it's the last minute of the preparation. Preparation time is very important, because how much perfectly you prepare, that much perfectly you perform in your examination. And let me quickly tell you how you have to write in the exam. So your handwriting plays a very important role. Then your presentation matters a lot, because impression, how much ever knowledge you are having, that is secondary. How you look matters a lot in the society. In the same manner, how is your paper? Is it neat? Is it good? Then your paper will get extra prominence, extra importance. So keep this in mind. Let your answer paper look elegant, beautiful. Okay, keep all these things in mind while preparation, and also in the exam hall. Don't get confused. Write well, as how you have prepared, that much perfectly your writing should be in the exam hall. On behalf of Sri Gurukul Group of Institution, we all wishing you good luck for your examination. Just rock the paper. Namaste. Thank you.